home. There's nothing like home. That's why I wrote this song. Kinfolk and good food. Kids on the block acting like a fool. That's why I love hometown. That's really why I'm the man that I am now. I don't know about you, but there's no place like home. A place where you can let your guard down. Home. Sunday dinner, we all would clown. Home. Mama come with the baby's mother nickname. It's home. When Big Mama died, we ain't been the same. No matter how busy you get, when Mama call, you better go home. People know your business, know you by your nickname. We all are similar, cause we all came up the same. Babies growing up, probably feeling old. Everybody know Sunday Big Mama on the scope. Dope dealers make a lot of money, but they know when to come back. That respect they had, you really couldn't buy that. Everybody had a role, don't act like you don't know. But see, time flies, now we all getting old. I don't know about you, but there's no place like home. A place where you can let your guard down. Home. Sunday dinner, we all would clown. Home. Mama come with the baby's mother nickname. It's home. Home. A place where you can let your guard down. Home. Sunday dinner, we all would clown. Home. Mama come with the baby's mother nickname. It's home. When Big Mama died, we ain't been the same. No matter how busy you get, when Mama call, you better go home.